So here we are moving the mattress, obviously, taking it outside to be recycled. Getting ready to open up the bases outside. Get yourself a blade, make sure you're not cutting, obviously, into the plastic through the fabric. Be careful. I like to open them up on top of the lid, get rid of all your zip ties, cut them all open. That box there you're going to need. That's going to have your pen. Carefully bring the bases in, open them up. You're going to need that black box right there. You're going to need the pen out of the bag with the little C-clip that locks the frame in. I'm there plugging in the power supply, laying the beds on, getting some tools, getting ready to find center, pre-drill. Got 2 slots there where it lagged in with 5/16 stainless, 1.25 inch lags, and 1/2 inch fender washers, so you can slide the beds back 5 inches and still be nice and secure. Bring the other base in. Carefully place it in. Make sure you run your wire. I like to run it up through the frame. Make sure it's not going to bind up or catch anywhere where anything's moving. Plug it in. We use a power strip, so you're only using one outlet there at the bed. You know, you're gonna need two outlets for the bases, but I'm sorry, there's 2 plugs for the bases, so we recommend using a strip, and that way you preserve important outlets there by the bed. If you notice, there's a gap in between the frames. The frames actually measure 4 inches thinner than 60. That way we're missing countertops and valances. If you notice, the countertops always hang over. Bring the mattresses in, carefully open them. There's no right or wrong way other than top and bottom. These folks ordered a medium and a soft. There we are talking about the struts. And getting ready to bring the slide in. Some folks need to raise the head up, and then you can slide the bed back 5 inches, especially if you're in a shorty. This will save you a ton of space, even during the day. If you don't have a half bath like these folks, it gives you access sometimes back to the bathroom behind the bed when you're going down the road. Slides are in. Then you just pull it out when you're ready. Their piano hinge was acting like a speed bump, so you kind of got to lift it over it to get it fully out. But then here we're going to bring the slide in. Yep, I dropped my light. One of the most common questions we get asked is how much weight does it add? Obviously, that's very important in the RV industry. It only adds about 150 pounds. The whole system weighs 200 to 210 depending on the size you order. However, we cannot account for what's there now. It could be 50 pounds, it could be 200 depending on the existing mattress on your coach. With the steel grid decking and the breathable frame,
it fits absolutely
you're good to go
perfectly.
Weight-wise.
Now theirs is a full 80-inch bed, so we didn't have any much worry about on clearance. Our frame is 79 inches long, so you never have to worry about that. But again, you can raise it up using the remote, slide it back 5 inches if you were in a shorty. Or a lot of Super Cs, Renegades, stuff like that come at 74 inch. You can raise the feet end up and gain another 2 inches. They wouldn't take that advantage here, obviously, because you're cantilevered under there, but there it is. She's done.
The covers are zippered on the bottom, so you can wash them whenever you want. Just do a free and a clear, or a light, like just a delicate cycle on it, and don't do high heat. Do a fluff air or something like that.
Show Kevin that little.
Oh,
thing we just did.
yeah. So if you ever want to make some space, you can. What one do I have?
Your thingy is on the balance.
wire. Yeah, it's under that. It moved over. There we go.
Did I push it too far?
No.
No.
No. Just twist it a little bit. The other, raise the heads up.
That one's going. Don't worry about it. Just the balance. I doubt we'll ever sit that high up, but
Bring her breakfast in bed or something like that on Sunday morning. Because you still do that, right? You can slide it back five inches or so.
Oh,
that's what
And
I
you can
want.
gain that space. So, I mean, we've had folks even trim this off because you don't need all that cantilevering anymore. You know, it's because our frame is solid all the way back to at least the hinge, so it could literally hang, you know,
okay.
this far off. And then when it's time to bring the slide in or go to sleep for you guys, the easiest thing people have done is taken the left and right side of the valances off and just left the pediment so it hides the rollers. Some of them are wood, like the side, and we trim them. We take them off and trim them. Some, and like yours, since it has the darker end, you take this off and cut, 5 or 6 inches from the top, and then put it back on. Some people have taken them completely off. It's.
I don't think it's an issue because we were playing around with it now just for showing you what it does. But when we get in here and go to sleep,
Yeah.
It's also gonna thin up a little bit.
yeah,
If it becomes a problem.
It's going to be nice because
it's good.
I don't have to. All I have to do now is just roll over and look out the window. Before I had to look up, look out. Yeah, it's good. It's good.
If it's okay, you can. I'm kidding.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is the hard one.
How do you know?
This is the soft one.
You sure?
Yep.
So I need to flip them?
Nope.
Oh.
I wanted soft.
I thought you wanted medium.
No, you wanted medium.
I know I wanted medium.
Yeah, you wanted medium.
Yeah, we got 1 and 1, so now you can try them out, both out. You have an
Right.
extended period of
But
time
I
to
wanted
really.
soft, so I got soft, and you got medium.
Okay.
And this is soft.
Okay.
You can pull the stickers off. I just keep them on for
Okay.
Yeah.
till they're yours.
So yeah, that was the joke this morning.
Michael
I was
came
up.
out.
I was up here. I don't know what I was doing.
We were
I said-
turning on the AC.
Oh yeah, I was turning on the AC because I was cleaning up, right? Just wiping down, and I was cleaning up the refrigerator, and I said take the bed sheets off because I want you go ahead and clean them up. Okay, she didn't say nothing. I'm cleaning. I said, everything's good. And she says, oh, they're on their way. I'm like, who's on their way? To the guy with the beds. I said, what beds? I said, like, what are you talking about? He said, oh, I didn't tell you? No. The guy for the RV. So you ordered the beds.
Oh,
Surprise. Yeah, surprise.
I thought you knew after we got off the phone that you knew they were getting.
I
Oh,
left him.
well, it's a good thing you didn't answer the phone or something.
Yeah,
I would.
because-
Yeah.
I was over here watching the RV. And
Yeah.
I went back in.
Because I was out there watching the RV, and she said, I don't know, because when you came back, she said, I don't know, I'm still debating because this.